The Kodak Mini Camcorder model ZM1 comes with a 2 GB micro SD card, camera strap, and user manual. The camera is the size of a credit card and is less than a half an inch thick and has a 1.8-inch LCD screen. Open up the bottom door to access the micro SD slot. In here you can also access the pop-out USB. Plug it into a USB port to charge the battery and to access the files. Shooting modes include VGA, 2 QVGA modes, and still photo. Push the center button to start and stop recording. The up-down arrows control the digital zoom, which goes up to 3x. The following clips are videos taken by the Kodak LM1.